So today's video is going to be a glam get ready with me video.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Maxine and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a glam get ready with me video. Today's actually my birthday and I'm spending it in quarantine, so I figured why not get all dressed up, get my hair and makeup done. I was supposed to go out and go to AC. This is my plan for my birthday this year. I wanted to go to AC, but yeah, plans are obviously not happening that way. But I don't care, like it's really gonna be a fun day. Me and Ryan, we woke up this morning and we had coffee, we made pancakes. Well, actually Ryan made pancakes for me, which was really nice. He got me balloons and a card and it was a really fun morning. Our plan was to go to the Great Adventure Safari because we thought it was open, and it is open, but we didn't make the reservations and stuff like that in time, so we're gonna end up doing mini golfing. So I'm really excited to go mini golfing, and yeah, I don't know, I just figured why not do a get ready with me video since I wanted to actually look cute for my birthday, because you know, in quarantine I literally have been looking like a bum every single day, which is definitely my style also. But yeah, I just figured I would get up, get ready, and film a quick video for you guys today. My hair was actually done with no heat, like I didn't use any heat at all. I did braids and I just took them out of the braids, and I'm coming out with a tutorial really soon on how to come out with these heatless waves, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I really love how this makeup look came out. So anyway, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and this hairstyle, definitely keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I put out a new video every Tuesday at 2. Hit the bell for post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload. You get notified right away. And like this video if you like this get ready with me and want to see more glam get ready with me videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Maxine Glynn. Okay, let's just get right into the video. So I'm starting off with my Dermalogical moisturizer. I love putting this on before any type of makeup. Next, I wanted to put something on that's a little bit lighter because we're going to be outside a lot today and driving around in my convertible, so I wanted to use this tinted moisturizer. I love this and I use this all the time. I'm just dampening my beauty blender with some setting spray, and I'm just blending all the tinted moisturizer in. Now I'm just adding some concealer under my eyes to get rid of the dark circles, and I'm also adding it onto the other spots that I want to draw light to and also want more added coverage. And I'm blending all of this in with my damp beauty blender as well. Now I'm adding on this powder for like more of a matte finish because I hate when I get all shiny from the foundation or tinted moisturizer. So I'm just applying this with the sponge that it comes with. And I'm going to be taking this big fluffy brush and blending everything out. Now I'm just taking more powder on the brush and adding some to my neck and chest just to kind of even out my color. I'm just quickly doing my eyebrows and I'm just filling in the very front part. Now I'm just taking this spoolie and I'm making sure that where I filled in my eyebrows, it's nice and blended. I'm just quickly spraying with some setting spray, and now it's time for the fun part. I'm taking the shade Orange Soda from the Soft Glam palette and I'm just putting that above my crease. Now I'm taking Burnt Orange and I'm applying that into my crease, and I'm blending the two colors together. Now with a smaller blending brush, I'm taking the shade Rustic and I'm applying that to my outer corner, and I'm blending that also into my crease. And I'm just blending this all together with the bigger fluffy blending brush. I'm taking more of the burnt orange color with a smaller blending brush, and I'm adding it to the inner part of my eyelid to create this halo effect. And And I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm blending this out also. Now I'm taking the glittery shade Bronze and I'm applying that to the middle of my lid and blending that all in. I also sprayed my brush with some setting spray to help this glittery shade show up more on my lid. And taking a bigger blending brush, I'm just blending this into my crease on the middle part. Now I'm taking the shade Fairy with a really small blending brush and I'm applying this just to the very, very middle part of my lid to give it a little bit of a highlight. And I'm just gently touching that towards the inner part of my eyelid just to make sure that that line is nicely blended. And with that really small blending brush, I'm just adding a little bit more of that burnt orange to my inner corner just to kind of deepen it up a little bit more. I'm mixing together Fairy and Bronze and I'm just touching that to the very inner corner. Now I'm just adding on a very thin layer of some black liquid eyeliner. I'm just curling my eyelashes because I'm just going to be putting mascara on my natural lashes today instead of wearing fake lashes. So yeah, I'm just applying a couple of layers of this black mascara. Now I'm just applying a little bit of the shade Rustic on my lower lash line. And I'm also applying some mascara onto my bottom lashes as well. I'm just adding a little bit more powder before adding my contour and highlight. And I'm also adding on a little bit of a light contour to my nose. And now I'm adding on a nice highlight to the top of my cheekbones. Now I'm just lining my lips with this ColourPop lip liner. I also colored in my lips with the lip liner on the outer corners and all the edges, and now I'm just applying this really nice lip gloss. It has like this golden shimmer, but it's like this dark kind of nude color. Okay, and that's it for the makeup. This is my birthday glam look, and now we're gonna get into the hair. And this is why I love this look so much for the hair, because literally all I have to do now is just take my hair out of the braids. And I'm just going to be spraying it with some light hairspray, and that's about it. I would say the only trick to this is just you want to kind of be very gentle when it comes to fluffing everything out. You don't want to fluff it out too much, so just really kind of gently separate all of the waves. The hairspray that I'm using is Matrix, and it's just like a nice, soft, flexible hairspray, and I'm just spraying all of the hair. kind of just combing through the back part with my fingers just to make sure that it's like all together now, not separated anymore, and I'm just giving it a nice spray. I just love any flexible hairspray so much because you can literally spray so much of it in your hair and you never have to feel like you're spraying too much, and you can just kind of like easily work with your hair, like fixing it into certain places that you want it to be. And yeah, now I'm just trying to figure out if I want to keep it all down or if I want to just put one side up. Putting one side up a lot of times makes it look more fancy and more dressy, so I really love how this looks, but today I just decided to leave it down, but I'm kind of just testing what I want to do right now. Okay, so this is the final result. I really love how this came out. I love this makeup look. I love all the glitter and the gold and the shimmer. It's my vibe, and every time I get dressed up and want to do glam, you're gonna see that I'm always gonna use like some kind of a golden shimmer. I just love it. And yeah, my hair, I really love how this came out. This is, I have to say, literally the easiest hairstyle you can do if you want to get dressed up. It's literally the easiest. All I did was braid my hair last night. I slept in it, and this morning I took it out and sprayed it as you saw. So this is a heatless curls option. Also stay tuned because I'm going to be coming out with a tutorial video on how to get these heatless waves, even though you just saw like half of the style. I'm going to show you guys how to do a Dutch braid and how to, you know, do this for if you want to do a quick hairstyle like this also. Yeah, this is definitely like my go-to hairstyle. A lot of times I'll braid my hair, and after I take it out of this style, if I don't want it to look as crimped, I might take a bigger curling iron and run it around a bunch of pieces, but for the most part your hair is done when you take it out of the braid, so this is literally my favorite. And yeah, so I'm glad I got dressed up, and yeah, I want to go pick out an outfit. It's not going to be too fancy of an outfit, like we're just hanging out playing mini golf. I know I look really fancy right now, but I'm just going to throw on like something casual, and yeah, we're just going to have a fun, chill day on my birthday. Thank you so much for watching my glam get ready with me video, and if you want to see more videos like this, more get ready with me videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, definitely subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every single Tuesday at 2. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking.